Okay, so this is my presentation when I go on stage. So this is my front pose. Then I go into the quarter turn. I come in the back. Then I go to my side.
Hi, this is Dr. Scott Hoar, and today is Treatment Tuesday, and today our patient is Yana. I'm sorry, what's your last name?
Yana Andrea.
Yana Andrea, who is a personal trainer as well as a bodybuilder right here in Knoxville, Tennessee. Thank you for joining us.
No problem. Thanks for having me.
Tell us, what do you got going on that you want some help with?
So I need flexibility with my shoulders, and my neck has been bothering me. So
Okay.
I'm a little stiff.
You were saying off camera that with your bodybuilding, you've got a show coming up, and you strike certain poses during that, and you're concerned with the performance of some of those poses, correct?
Correct.
Tell us a little bit about that.
My biggest problem that I have is because I'm a lefty, I do perfect when I come here to the quarter turn. It's like this is perfection. This is what they're looking for. But when I come on this side, I'm stiffed. I can't turn. So this is my biggest problem that I'm having.
So if this came back further, that's what you would like it to do.
So I'm not flexible when it comes to turning my quarter turn from the back position into this. I'm having lower problem issues here, where when I turn, I'm stiffed.
Yeah, okay.
I'm hurting right now.
Got it.
I feel a lot of pain, like right here. It's probably from overdoing the pull-ups and push-ups.
Okay.
And I feel like lately I've been kind of plateauing and struggling to have the motion that I need to have.
Okay. All right, so we finished her examination and x-ray, and some of the big things she was complaining about was her ability to rotate through her thoracic spine without any discomfort. There's also some limitation in her achieving the poses that she's looking to achieve. What we saw in the examination was limitation in, number one, the neck range of motion. So if you can't move your neck, that's going to put a lot more strain on the rest of your body. So we're definitely going to want to address that. We also saw some pretty big limitations in her ability to rotate through her hips. Now, if you can't rotate through your hips, your body's going to naturally try to rotate through your torso a little bit, probably too much. So I want to see if opening up her hips will allow the rest of her rib cage and thorax to open up and move a little bit. So we're going to jump into that and see how we do. You ready? All right, scooch up 2, 3, 4, and 5 inches.
You gotta remember that Romanians, we talk backwards, so everything is like backwards.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm starting with what's called motion palpation. I'm feeling for the different segments and the muscles to see what's tight, what's moving well, what's stiff and stuck, like that. Right there, that's called your scaling. That's pretty tight. Yeah. A little uncomfortable?
Pain.
Yeah. Now I'm going to go over here by your traps. Really not too much tension there. Your traps over here. A lot more tension on this one.
Yes.
Can you tell that? As I release it, what does it feel like to you?
It feels better.
Yeah.
No tension.
Okay. Okay, so I do feel a little bit of restriction right there, and I want to get that moving. And like I said, the more flexibility in the upper part of your neck, that's going to protect that lower part of your neck, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, right there.
Ow!
Very good. You okay?
I'm fine.
You sure?
Yes. I'm scared that you're going to do it again.
I probably will. Okay.
Wow, that was bad.
It was bad?
Oh my god. I mean, it was good bad. That was tight.
Yeah. Okay. A little bit more. We'll go on this side. All right. Drop. Awesome. And now we can move a little bit better there. I'm sorry, it was your right side that couldn't exactly kind of rotate back, correct?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to start on your left side then. Okay. I'm going to start doing some muscle tests. And the muscle tests are going to tell me what I need to address and what I need to leave alone.
Okay.
So make a fist. I'm going to do a muscle test where I push your elbow down to the table. You're going to resist that pressure. Okay? Ready? And again. Okay, put it down. So when we do these muscle tests, your job is not to win.
Okay.
Your job is to resist whatever pressure I put into it. Okay? Okay?
Maybe.
Maybe. All right. Make a fist. Pushing down. Resist. And I actually think that's a little bit weak. How does that feel? No discomfort?
No.
Okay. I'm going to adjust the lower section of your neck here, okay? Very good. That hurt?
Yes.
Make a fist. Pushing down. Resist. I think that was stronger, okay? Do you think that was stronger?
Yes, definitely.
Put your thumb and pinky together, like this. It's hard with those nails.
Sorry.
I'm going to pull them apart. Don't let me do that. Ready? That's pretty good. Elbow in at your rib cage, like it is. And I'm going to pull your elbow that way. Just resist that.
Okay.
Okay? Back. Ready? Again. All right. Make a fist. I'm going to push your whole fist that way. Don't let me. Again. Okay. I don't think your the muscles around your shoulder blade are firing the way they need to, so I'm going to adjust that. Okay?
Oh, wow.
So what I want you to do is put your left palm right in your ear. Your other left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my thumb in your armpit. I'm going to wrap my hand around your shoulder blade. Okay, I'm going to adjust the area between your shoulder blade and your ribs. There you go. Let me get in there. Look up. Relax your elbow. Take a deep breath. Breathe on out.
Ow!
Good.
Oh my god. That feels so much better. Sorry.
It's okay. Are you all right?
Yes.
I know. It's a
Wow.
shock.
Yes. I'm speechless. You got me speechless. I don't get speechless like ever.
All right. Let's do that same test. Elbow in at your rib cage. I'm going to pull out like that. You're going to resist my pressure. Ready? Again. That's way stronger, isn't it? Now make that fist. I'm pushing down towards you. Resist. Definitely felt stronger to me. Stronger to you?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I'm going to push that way. Don't let me do that. Okay?
Ow!
Yeah.
I'm weak.
So that was the pec major muscle. So I'm going to adjust where your clavicle and your sternum meet each other.
That's definitely a problem.
Yeah?
I already know it.
Yeah. Deep breath. Let it go. Good. Okay. Arm right here. I'm pushing out that way. Don't let me. Still a little weak. So now we're going to go a little lower, okay, where your ribs and your sternum meet. Is that one tender? Okay. Let it go. Breathe out. Good. That hurt?
Yes.
Hold it right here. I'm going to push out that way. Don't let me. Much better, huh?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Wow, you're amazing.
Straighten your hand. I'm going to pull towards me. Don't let me. Good. Pushing towards you. Don't let me. Lovely. We're going to switch sides.
Wow, I can't believe just by these small movements of how are you feeling better.
Yeah.
It's like a night and day, and we're not finished yet.
Yep. Okay, you doing all right?
Yes.
Make a fist. I'm going to push down. Resist. Really strong. Thumb and pinky. Pulling apart. Don't let me. Really great. Elbow in at your rib cage. I'm pulling that way. Don't do that. Just resist my pressure, remember. Ready? It's very strong.
Yes.
Make a fist. I'm pushing down. Resist. Great. I don't think we need to do that side. Hold it right there. I'm going to push that way. Don't let me do that. Ready? That one's a little weak. All right. Relax that elbow. And we'll grab that sternoclavicular joint. Let it go. Good.
On top.
Hold it right there. Pushing that way. Don't let me. Yeah. Got to get those ribs again. Bend the elbow.
Yeah, I put a lot of pressure on my chest.
Yeah.
I'm scared already.
Yeah. Breathe out. Let it go. Good. Hold it right there. Pushing out that way. Way stronger, huh?
Yes.
Good. Straighten your hand. Pulling towards me. Don't let me. Beautiful. Okay, now we're going to do some mid and upper back stuff.
Oh my gosh, I feel so amazing. I can't believe it. I was almost getting like headaches and pains, I think, from just having so much discomfort on my chest. I mean, the neck and the shoulders and whatever was going on with me.
Yeah?
That I feel like it's all gone.
Well, good. That's great. All right. Big old hug. Maintain your hug. What I'm going to do is feel for the different segments of your rib cage and your mid-back. That's a little stuck. Okay. Sit your chin up to your chest like a sit-up. Like that. And breathe out.
Ow! Oh my god, that hurts.
Yeah. Okay. We're going to have you flip around on your belly. Okay?
Alright.
You all right?
Yes.
Definitely some stiffness up there.
Yes, it's a lot of it.
Bring your head up a little bit. Yeah, let that drop.
Ow!
All right, back to neutral. Take a deep breath. Breathe on out. Okay. Is this hurting pretty good?
Yes,
Okay.
right there.
Interesting.
Yeah, right there. That's a knot.
Yeah, we got a nice knot right here. We have a lot of soft tissue tension. Let it go. All right. Okay, I'm going to start doing some lower body testing, okay?
Okay.
All right, muscle test. I'm going to straighten your knee. Don't let me do that. Ready? Good.
Ow!
That hurt?
Yeah, we tried hamstrings the other day.
I'm going to straighten your knee. Don't let me. And again. One more time. Plenty strong.
Ow!
Let's do this one more time. Straighten your knee. Don't let me. No, that's great. Okay, now I want you to bring your knee up.
Hold on.
Is it cramping?
Okay, good.
All right, knee up towards the ceiling. Oh, no.
Knee?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to push down into the table. Resist that.
Okay.
Again. Pretty good.
Ow.
Bring your knee up. Pushing down. Again.
Ow, ow, ow. Crap.
Hamstring again. Knee up. Pushing down.
No, hams.
You can't do it, huh?
Cramp.
Still-
No, it's the cramp.
Still cramped?
Okay, I'm good. We can try it
Knee
again.
up. Pushing down. Okay. So,
I got a really bad cramp.
yeah. Still going? All right.
I'm fine.
So, the fact that you're cramping that much is a sign of dysfunction.
Okay.
Even if you worked out hamstrings really hard a couple of days ago, it shouldn't be cramping at that level just from bending it.
Okay.
So, what we're going to do is adjust your sacrum so that we can make sure your glutes are actually firing so that your hamstring doesn't have to be so overactive. So turn on your side, face me. Take a deep breath, breathe out.
Ow!
Good. Okay. Go face down. Knee up towards the ceiling. Hold it right there. Pushing down. No cramp. Plenty strong. You see the difference?
Yes.
There you go. Good. Hold it right here. Muscle test. I'm going to push your knee down. Don't let me do that. Ready? Again. Wake. Other side.
Hey, thanks.
Pushing down. Don't let me.
I'm strong in
Big
this one.
difference, right?
Yes, huge.
So, if this one's not firing, we need to address it. Turn on your side, face that way. Okay. All right, so your right hip flexor tested weak. The nerve roots that come out of your spine right here are what control that hip flexor. So, take a deep breath, breathe out. Let it go. Let it. There we go.
Wow, what a
Yeah,
pop.
yeah.
Now I need to send all of my clients here.
Yeah?
Yes. Like, as you're doing the something about Anna, Lisa, Nina, or Donna. Like,
Yeah.
everyone's coming to mind. Bly.
Well, good.
Bly needs it bad. Okay.
I'm going to do a muscle test where I push down. Don't let me do that. Ready? Again. Definitely better.
A little bit, yes.
A little bit. You need-
Maybe I wasn't ready.
Well, let's try it again. Pushing down. You're right, it's not terribly strong. So what I'm going to do now is go into your hip flexors and release them manually, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm going to grab your muscles right here. When I say so, I want you to straighten your leg and bring it back as far as you can, and then back to the starting position. Okay? We'll do this 4, 5, maybe 6 times. Ready? Go. All the way, further. Go. And back to the start. And go. Good. Again. Okay. Go. Again. Hold it all the way at the end. Go. Hold it, breathe. Okay, back to the start. And go. Go. Okay. And go. Yeah. Again, go. Okay. Lay on your back. Ow. Straighten this knee. I'm going to push down. Resist. Ready?
Wow.
Rock solid, huh?
That was amazing.
Heck yeah.
I feel it.
Okay, your hips. I think your hips are really undermining your progress with the twisting type poses. They can't, you really need to rotate through the hips, and they're not rotating great. And so that makes you try to rotate through here. You feel the strain, you feel that discomfort. So I'm going to do some mobilizations deep in your hip socket here, okay? This won't feel great.
It's not.
Are you okay with this shot? Mm-hmm. Especially right there, right? Okay. Great. Good. In that position right there, what do your hips feel?
I feel pain.
Yeah. Where?
Up here.
Like strain, stretching, or pain?
Strain, stretching.
Okay. Couple of deep breaths. The lower half of your body should be just melting, okay? So you have to work hard with your breath to stay nice and tall with your spine while your hips and your knees are all melting down into the ground. Great. Now, put this hand behind you, and you're going to push through your arms to try to will your sternum down there. So eyes up at the horizon.
I had trouble to hold my posture, and I felt like I was having issues with my hips.
Yeah.
Definitely something new that I wasn't aware about. I feel great.
It feels great? Are you lying?
No, I feel great. I feel okay, except the hip.
Yeah, so try to...
Ow!
Yeah, and the purpose of the 90-90 exercise is you're trying your best to keep a neutral spine while getting really good external and internal rotation of your hips.
I'm in pain. I can't stand.
All right.
This is too painful.
Uh-huh.
Why? It's this right here. Like whenever I stand in this position.
You don't do that great. That's why I had you do it. But it wasn't terribly comfortable or easy. Good. Hold it in tight. You okay with that?
It hurts.
Turn into it. Put a kettlebell in your hands. It helped you to create the stability in your spine.
Yes.
And then your hip muscles, which are so used to going like this, were able to let go and relax and get a little bit of movement. Great. Okay. Yana, post-treatment pose. Good. Good. How do you feel with that quarter turn there? That was the trouble one, correct?
Yes.
Show it to us again.
Much better.
Yeah? Do you feel that strain and discomfort in your rib cage?
Not like it was.
Good. Yeah, your shoulder turn is much better.
Actually can't believe that I'm able to like.
Yeah. So that was our treatment. Yana, how'd that go for you?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Feel a lot better.
Good. Good.
So I was surprised to learn about some of the mobility issues that I'm having. It was amazing. You're amazing.
All right.
I've never had an extensive care as such at a chiropractor to really learn about my body and what I'm capable of and what I can achieve. Just like being able to do what I did.
Yeah.
It was definitely an eye-opener for me.
Good. I'm glad you had a great experience. It was a lot of fun treating you. How can potential clients reach you?
It's yana-fit.com. It's Yana Andrea.
Yana Andrea, that's on Instagram.
And Facebook.
Thank you so much for
Thank
joining
you.
us. You'll have to come back, okay, so we can see
Absolutely.
how you do with your show and everything like that. This was Treatment Tuesday. I'm Dr. Scott Hoar. Thanks so much for watching. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, leave a comment below, and look for our next treatment next Tuesday.